The all-new Fire HD 10 Tablet 2019 review. Key features and components of Fire 10 HD Tablet. The Amazon Fire 10 High-Definition Tablet for 2019 and 2020. Our largest display is now 30% faster. Fire HD 10 is our largest display in 1080p Full HD. Now 30% faster thanks to the powerful new 2.0 GHz octa-core processor and 2 GB of RAM. Stream movies, watch videos, or play games with the enhanced Wi-Fi. Enjoy downloaded content on the go with up to 12 hours of mixed-use battery life. Designed for widescreen entertainment. Enjoy millions of movies, TV episodes, games, apps, ebooks, and songs. Stream or download thousands of videos from Prime Video, Netflix, Stars, and Showtime. Discover over 570,000 apps and games, over 450,000 audible titles, and millions of songs. Experience picture-in-picture viewing with Red Bull TV, Twitch, NBC News and more. Meet Alexa. Alexa connects you to the information, entertainment, and people who matter most with just your voice. Ask to play videos and music, open apps, shop online, check the weather, call or message almost anyone and more. Just say, Alexa, even when the tablet screen is asleep or on standby. Alexa and Fire HD 10 are designed to protect your privacy. For example, you can view and delete your voice recordings. Or use the Alexa hands-free mode on or off toggle at any time. Great for the entire family. With award-winning Amazon Free Time, parents can create child profiles. To limit screen time, set educational goals, and manage content with easy-to-use parental controls. Free Time is free on every Fire tablet or subscribe to Free Time Unlimited to access over 20,000 kid-friendly titles. Protect your tablet. Designed by Amazon, the slim, form-fitting case with built-in stand allows for hands-free viewing in landscape and portrait orientations. The cover remains securely closed at home or on the go with a magnetic closure. Easy access to buttons, ports, and cameras. Technical details of Fire 10 HD Tab. Display. 10.1 High-Definition Touchscreen, 1920 by 1200 resolution at 224 pixels per inch, 1080p Full HD video playback. With IPS technology and advanced polarizing filter, fully laminated display. Size, 10.3 by 6.3 by 0.4. Weight, 17.8 ounces. Actual size and weight may vary by configuration and manufacturing process. CPU and RAM, octa-core 2.0 GHz with 2 GB of RAM. Storage, 32 GB or 64 GB of internal storage. Add microSD card for up to 512 GB of additional storage. Some apps may require that they are installed on internal storage. App or feature updates may impact available storage. Battery life. Up to 12 hours of reading, browsing the web, watching video, and listening to music. Battery life will vary based on device settings, usage, and other factors such as web browsing and downloading content. Certain software features or apps may reduce battery life. Charge time. Fully charges in approximately 4 hours using the USB-C cable and a 9W power adapter. Approximately 3 hours with 15W power adapter and Type-C to C cable. Wi-Fi connectivity. Dual-band Wi-Fi. Supports public and private Wi-Fi networks or hotspots available. Port, USB-C 2.0 connector and included Type-A to Type-C cable to connect to a PC. Or to charge your device with the included power. Adapter, microSD slot for external storage. Audio, 3.5mm stereo jack and integrated speaker. Sensors, accelerometer, ambient light sensors. Camera specifications, 2MP front and rear-facing cameras with 720p HD video recording. Location services, location-based services via Wi-Fi. Available colors, black, twilight blue, plum, white. Additional features. External volume controls, built-in Bluetooth with support for A2DP compatible stereo headphones. Speakers, microphone, and accessories. Accessibility features. Voice View Screen Reader enables access to the vast majority of Fire tablet features for the blind. Visually impaired using text-to-speech or a connected refreshable braille display. Screen magnifier enables viewers to zoom in and out and pan around the screen. Fire tablets also include accessibility settings for closed captioning. Font size, high contrast text, color inversion, color correction, and convert stereo to mono audio. 1 year limited warranty and service included, optional 1 year, 2 year and 3 year. Extended warranty available for US included in the box. Fire HD 10 tablet, USB-C 2.0, cable, 9W power adapter, and quick start guide. Generation, 9th generation 2019 release. Summary. 10.1, 1080p Full HD display. 32 or 64 GB of internal storage, add up to 512 GB with microSD. Now 30% faster thanks to the new 2.0 GHz octa-core processor and 2 GB of RAM. Longer battery life, up to 12 hours of reading, browsing the web, watching video, and listening to music. Hands-free with Alexa. 2MP front and rear facing cameras with 720p HD video recording. Dual band, enhanced Wi-Fi. Now with USB-C and faster charging. Includes a USB-C cable and 9W power adapter in the box. 1 year limited warranty, enjoy millions of movies, TV episodes, songs, books, apps, and games. Picture-in-picture viewing with Netflix, Stars, Pinterest, MLB at Bat and more. Click on the links below in the description to buy these tablets from Amazon. Do not forget to like or comment on our videos. Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and hit that notification button, so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Cheers!